Welcome, and thank you for joining me today for this guided meditation focused on healing past traumas. We are unity of consciousness where we help you to achieve personal and spiritual growth. Before we begin, let's take a moment to find a comfortable and quiet place where you can fully immerse yourself in this experience. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position, ensuring that your body is supported and at ease. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with air, and then slowly exhale, releasing any tension you may be holding onto. Trauma is an emotional response to a distressing or disturbing event that overwhelms an individual's ability to cope. It can leave a lasting impact on one's mind, body, and soul. Everyone is affected by trauma differently, and the journey to recovery is unique for each person. There is no one-size-fits-all approach to healing, and that's okay. Today, we will explore a holistic approach to healing past traumas, incorporating elements from neuropsychotherapy and considering the psychological, physical, social, and nutritional pillars of recovery. Begin by bringing your awareness to your breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each inhalation and exhalation. Allow your breath to become a source of comfort and grounding. The first step in our journey is to acknowledge the presence of trauma. Recognizing that you have experienced something distressing is crucial in the healing process. It's important to remember that acknowledging your trauma does not mean you are defined by it. You are more than your experiences, and today, we aim to move beyond the shadows of the past. As we continue to focus on our breath, let us create a sense of safety within ourselves. Safety is a fundamental aspect of healing trauma. We seek to establish safety in our relationships, our body, our mind, and our environment. Imagine yourself in a serene, peaceful place, a sanctuary where you feel completely safe and protected. This could be a real location or a place you envision in your mind. Feel the sense of calm and security wash over you. Safety on relationships. Picture yourself surrounded by supportive, loving individuals who understand and accept you. These people are here to offer you compassion and encouragement on your healing journey. They keep you in their hearts and they keep you grounded. Safety on your body. Bring your awareness to your body, acknowledging any areas of tension or discomfort. With each breath, imagine a warm, healing light flowing into these areas, soothing and releasing the tension. Your body is a vessel of strength, resilience, and self-healing. Let your mind be the safe haven. Focus on your thoughts, letting go of any negative or intrusive ones. Replace them with positive affirmations and thoughts of self-love and acceptance. Your mind is a powerful tool for healing, capable of transformation and growth. Place the right intentions to move forward, heal and let go of the past. Safety on your environment. Visualize your surroundings as a peaceful, harmonious space. Whether it's your home, workplace, or even your commute, imagine these environments as places where you feel safe and at ease. This sense of safety allows you to navigate the world with confidence and serenity. Now, let us delve into the process of healing. Healing from trauma involves several stages: relating, resourcing, repatterning, reprocessing, reflecting, and resilience. Relating. Establish a connection with yourself and others. Understand that you are not alone in your journey. Share your experiences with trusted individuals or support groups, allowing yourself to be heard and understood. Resourcing. Identify the resources that support your healing. These could be internal, such as your strengths and coping mechanisms, or external, like therapy, books, and community support. Now, let's move into picturing these recourses as already supporting and healing you. Repatterning. Work on changing old patterns of thinking and behavior that no longer serve you. This might involve cognitive restructuring, mindfulness practices, or other therapeutic techniques. Focus these practices in one type or a few and start changing. Let go of old behavior patterns and embrace new thriving patterns. Picture yourself as letting go and starting a new journey. Reprocessing. Address and process the traumatic memories. This can be done through various therapeutic approaches, such as EMDR, somatic experiencing, or talk therapy. We are already talking and guiding you now. Picture yourself healing. Get the right intent and start to heal from this point in time. Reflecting. Take time to reflect on your progress and growth. Acknowledge the strides you've made and the resilience you've shown in your healing journey. Acknowledge your accomplishments in all fields of life, even though you went through trauma. Keep going. You are doing well. Resilience. Let's talk a holistic approach. Cultivate resilience by building a strong foundation in the 4 pillars of a holistic trauma-informed approach. Resilience enabled people to move forward. Psychological. Nurture your mind through therapy, mindfulness, and positive thinking. Engage in activities that stimulate your intellect and bring you joy. Focus on your achievements and most joyous moments and make them your point of coordinates to evolve from there. Physical. Care for your body with regular exercise, restful sleep, and healthy habits. Physical activity can help release stored tension and improve your overall well-being. Your body is a temple, look after it. Know that your body can heal itself given the right conditions. Well done. Social. Build a supportive community. Surround yourself with people who uplift and encourage you. Participate in social activities that bring you a sense of belonging and connection. Healthy connections help people thrive in life, bring abundant life energy. Just like now, our relationship is established in life nurturing. Nutritional. Feed your body with nutrient-dense foods. A balanced diet supports your physical health and can have a positive impact on your mental health as well. Remember, the body can heal itself given the right condition. Healthy body, healthy mind, and beautiful life. finally, connect with your spirit. Take a moment to tune into your inner self, your soul. This spiritual connection can be a powerful tool in healing past traumas. Whether through meditation, prayer, or other spiritual practices, there is always a way to connect with the deeper part of yourself. Picture yourself as a wonderful soul with the perfect mission here. See with your mind's eye all your life as far as you can go. See all your struggles and all your victories. Honor yourself how far you have come despite struggles. Well done. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a few deep breaths, inhaling peace and exhaling any remaining tension. Gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the ground beneath you. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation for healing past traumas. If you found this meditation helpful, consider incorporating it into your daily routine to continue building your life empowered with love, self-love, kindness, and gratitude, and your capacity to heal, move forward, and succeed in life. Learn that healing the past can bring spectacular changes in life. Healing is a journey, and you are taking important steps today. Be kind and patient with yourself as you continue on this path. Remember to practice these principles daily, nurturing your self-awareness, self-worth, self-esteem, to let go of past and move forward in the future. Let us together spread love, kindness, and gratitude and make the world a better place. This guided meditation is designed to help you cultivate and understand the essential elements of healing past traumas and ultimately leading to greater personal happiness and improved relationship with yourself. By practicing regularly, you can develop a more compassionate and open heart, enhancing your overall well-being. May you continue to cultivate and nurture healing and self-love and understand the importance it has in your life. You have the power to create a life filled with love and compassion. Embrace it and live it fully.